Welcome guys! If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG K61, for the first you have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. I'm going to take the CLONEit. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it. On this Android smartphone, of course, you have to do the same. So right now just wait for the LG. Click open. Tap allow. Yes, we agree. And right now we have to click sender on the Android phone, tap set, turn on location, then just go back. Click sender one more time. On your LG K61 you have to tap receiver, click allow, and hit the search again button. Right now they are looking for each other, and here it is, the Android share 2879. There's our Android phone, so we have to click on this icon. And right now when we are here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So if you have broken camera or something is not working properly, you have two methods. So I think that's really cool. And in my case, I'm going to use to scan the code. So click here, tap allow, grab your phone, and then put the frame into the QR code. They are connecting. So in a few moments we are going to be able to transfer data, accept the request. And right now if you want to send everything from this Android smartphone to your LG, you have to select all of these icons. Then just tap on the start. But if you want to get some details, maybe you want to send some pictures, videos, or one song for example. So I'm going to show you on this music files how it is going to look like. So I take these two songs. There's from the Post Malone, the Better Now and the Circles. Then just click start, OK. And right now, as you can see, it's finished. And we can check also where are the files. I think it will be right here. And we can enter this audio, and yeah, here it is. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.